Welcome back to Morning Call. Formula One racing is to automotive technology what Asia is to consumer electronics. It gets all the cool new toys first. And if they're a hit, then they may end up trickling down to us here in the U.S. In this week's Tech Zone, Silicon Valley Bureau Chief Jim Goldman got an exclusive sneak peek at some of those toys, as well as a device that could put your universal remote to shame. I'm all about that. He's in our Palo Alto bureau. Hi, Jim.
You will love this.
Good. Let's have it.
Because I looked at it and I loved it. Some of these you can buy, some you can't buy yet. And if you're a big-time traveler who loves television, one of these may be something you won't be able to live without. You want to talk ultimate remote control? Check out what the Slingbox can do.
It's all about just watching TV. It's the passion for watching TV.
Sling Media CEO Blake Krikorian says you can now plug in your home entertainment components, a TV, cable, satellite, the TiVo, even your digital music, and then watch your channels from home or listen to your music on any network device like a laptop or web-enabled PDA with a high-speed net connection, even a cell phone from anywhere in the world.
We're taking in that analog stream and we are digitizing it and encoding it and streaming it to your personal device.
Even tech visionary and Netscape co-founder Mark Andreessen can't wait to get his hands on one, or 6.
I'm going to hook up one to my satellite TV. I'm going to hook up one to my replay. I'm going to hook up one to an XM radio. I can have like 6 of these running, and then they just sit there and run. And then whenever I want to watch or listen to any of those sources, I just plug in.
Now, Krikorian and his brother have pumped $1 million of their own money to make the Slingbox happen, actively pursuing corporate partnerships and more venture capital. The $200 box should be on store shelves by the 1st of next year. Also, keep in mind, if you plug your TiVo into it, you could store hours and hours of movies and then access that from anywhere you are. So that's another application for this. It could be the babysitter of the future. Brad, back to you.
Good deal. Many purposes. We like that, Jim. Thanks. Right. Jim Goldman with this week's Tech Zone. That news.
In the summer of 2002, Blake Krikorian's beloved hometown San Francisco Giants were in a pennant race that he couldn't catch live when he was out of town. Frustrated, he began writing software that would let him watch the game from afar, shifting the place you can watch TV like a VCR shifts the time that you can watch. Today, Krikorian's company, Sling Media, is about to launch the Slingbox
it seems unbelievable to be able to get art form.
It's an amazing box that can redirect video from your home to any laptop, phone, handheld computer as long as it has wireless internet connection. The small appliance works like a long-distance remote control, plugging into a TiVo, cable box, satellite receiver, or stereo, and converting the analog stream into digital bits. Software directs the size of the handheld screen and the speed of the internet link, then compresses the broadcast into suitably sized digital chunks.
So you have an interface for controlling the television and the TiVo?
Exactly.
That's TiVo.
I am not responsible for whatever is said on this show.
No.
This is where it starts to get really interesting. 3G is finally upon us. And just to put that in perspective, the TV quality that you were seeing over on my laptop was about 350 kilobits per second.
That's it?
That's it.
Faster than your laptop. But right now this is going to be 70 or 50 or whatever.
Thank you. That's awesome. That's cool. So that can be used inside the home, but also can be used when you're in the airport.
So forth.
Absolutely.
Can it be broadcasting? Someone could be watching the actual TV and you could...
Exactly. That's exactly. In doing it, by the way, you're accessing your content with no additional service fees. It's the content that you own.